Enkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha eSABC lihaye. Njengoko ke ilixesha leziyunguma uninzi lethu ke lujonge indawo ezipheleleyo, sithela ngendawo ezi-right ezi-bright ukuze sikwazi into yokubana siphume. Kwaye ke yeyiphi indawo engcono yokubalekela ngaphandle kwaZulu Natal, apho ke ulwandlekazi lwase-India lufudumeleyo lidibana neentaba zokhahlamba ezimangalisayo. Ozidibanisayo ngoku nguPinky Radebe usuka kukhenketho lwase-KZN. Uzokwabelana nathi ke nokuthi mhlawumbe ithini imisitho kunye nemitsalane egcinwe leli phondo lase-KZN kulo Disemba. Pinky, masikubulise sikwamkele SABC lihayi.
Sanibonani kubalaleli nababukeli bonke ekhaya.
Ninjani
I know siyaphila la KwaZulu Natal on a very sunny, beautiful day. Sisi right like KZN.
Ay angazi la eGauteng angifuni nje nokukhuluma kodwa hayi siyancenga ungasho nje ukuthi mhlambe yintoni eyenza ukuba eliphondo la KwaZulu Natal ibe indawo ekufuneka uyindwendwele kwelixesha leholide?
Well, KwaZulu Natal sithi it gives you a complete holiday experience. And njengoba usuchazile ku-introduction yakho ila kuzofika khona enjoy the warm Indian Ocean, ulwandle lwethu oluhle kakhulu elu-600 kilometers as a coastline elisuka le phezulu eSwadana Bay liyosha le ePort Edward. Siyazi ukuthi la sine-bush and city experience. I-province yethu it has warm summer weather and is ideal for holiday makers, abantu abathanda kakhulu ukuvakasha abasuka kuma-province ase-Gauteng, nginina lapha eGauteng, abaseMpumalanga kanye nabase-Free State and a bit of Eastern Cape. Ibona-ke abantu esaziyo ukuthi bayeza bazoba ne-strong festive season period nathi la khona a wide range of accommodation and things to do, and of course kulula ukusithola la KwaZulu Natal noma ngabe uqhamuka kweyiphi indawo noma uyaflya ngeKing Shaka International Airport ufike la kuthina noma uhamba ngo-N2 ngo-N3 siyakwazi ukutholakala. So la KZN si-ready ukuthi sizokwamukela abavakashi bethu okusazi kahle ukuthi bayithanda iTheku, balithanda kakhulu i-region yethu, and of course mase befikile la eThekwini they venture into other places, bahambe baye ko-South Coast e-North Coast kanye nase-KZN Midlands kanye nasoKhahlamba.
Ndiyafuna nje undiphe nje i-top 5 yendawo xa ninokufika apha eThekwini namhlanje eningathi mhlambe ndizindwendwele.
Yazi more like eThekwini ngizodinga about 5 days ngoba kuningi engingafisa ukubonisa khona. Ngingaqala nje ngokuthi ungaye lapha eDrakensberg, especially uma usuka eGauteng uyakwazi ukuthi udrive in 3 hours time uyibone sewuseDrakensberg and you are hiking and enjoy scenery nobuhle nje beyintaba zethu zokhahlamba. And of course we have our big 5 and private game reserves ala inland noma eindaweni zakohluhluwe ila ngempela ama-internationals noma laba abaphesheya abazivakashelayo. And of course we have our beautiful Durban Promenade, Umhlanga Promenade, the food scene and city attractions. Uyazi-ke na ukuthi uMhlanga iwona othi udume kakhulu njengamanje, isikakhulukazi laba abathanda ukuyivocavoca ngaphandle, abathanda ukugijima ekuseni, those morning 5K marathons, laba nje abathanda ukuphuma baye ngaphandle. iTheku ngempela lisahamba phambili.
Andisabaweli ndihlela apha nje ngaske ngiyabhabha undisise apho eKZN. Wena Pinky siyaqonda ukubana zininzi iziganeko ezithe zenzeka apha eKZN. Uzawukhumbula into yobana eliphondo liye lachatshazelwa kakhulu zi-floods. Nangoku sifumana isilumkiso esivela khona ku-South African Weather Services zokubana iKZN, iGauteng namanye amaphondo azawuchaphazeleka kakhulu ezimvula. Ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana zintoni ongathi zingumcelimngeni kutshanje kukhenketho lase-KZN kwaye mhlambe nichatshezelwe njani zizinto ezithe zaqhubeka?
Kule minyaka edlulile nje South Africa yonke ifundile ukuthi geographically iKZN is located on the eastbound eduze kwe-Indian Ocean. Noma ngabe yini yenzeka emhlabeni because of global warming nathi iyasithinta la, isikakhulukazi thina njengoba sila ngasolwandle ezi-KZN sike saba-ke nama-floods ney'mvula ey'nkulu. Lokho kusenza ukuthi sibe kwi-recovery space esheshayo lapho khona i-tourism kade affecteke khona, kube khona a strong recovery led by uhulumeni wethu kanye ne-tourism industry ama-partners. When I say partners, ngisho laba bamahhotela akade besilungisele i-infrastructure bebambisene nohulumeni, kube khona i-infrastructure repairs, ama-safety operations kanye ne-destination marketing. Ithina-ke labo uyabona ukuthi kule minyaka ewu-2 edlulile impela bese-strong, sisho ukuthi KZN is open and is ready to host iy'vakashi zethu ngoba phela i-infrastructure yethu isilungisiwe. So i-message esiyihambisana noma umyalezo uthi iKwaZulu-Natal has rebuilt and we are moving forward. Si-ready ukuthi abantu abathanda ulwandle bafike bazo-enjoya ne-infrastructure yethu. Akubalulekile ukuthi iy'mvula ziyohlale zikhona. Noma ngabe kukhona iy'mvula ziyaphuma ixwayiso ukuthi kumele nibhukude noma kumele ningabhukudi. Uma kwenzeka kuthiwa singabhukudi, siyakwazi phela ukuhamba siye kwezinye iy'ndawo ama-inland regions ethu afana no-KZN Midlands noma sihambe selapha e-South Coast esayidi siyokwenza o-bungee jumping, siphume siyokwenza ezinye izinto noma sihlale khona la eThekwini siye-enjoya ama-world class facilities ethu kuma-malls ethu afana no-Gateway no-Oceans Mall.
And into endiyaziyo ke nge-KZN akulalwa, igqomi iqhuma ubusuku bonke ngu-6 to 6. Ndiyafuna nje into yokubana usiyelisele into yokubana ingabe ikhona mhlawumbe iminyhadala ethile okanye ii-events ezingathi zilindelwe kulo December.
Kunjalo iminyhadala igcwele kakhulu ngoba phela isona sikhathi lesi ama-partners ethu abizwa ngama-event organizers abekhona bezojabulisa abahlali nalabo soke besivakashele. So ikhona beach festive programs ethu particularly kuma-coastal towns. Mengithi kuma-coastal towns ngikusho lawa angamele ugu. Kuningi kakhulu music festivals akhona lapho, food and cultural events ngalesikhathi. Okunye futhi kwemindeni ngikhuluma ngama-family friendly activities ongawathola kulezi ndawo esengiyibalile. Community-led celebrations, uyazi-ke ngalesi sikhathi imgidi, imicimbi, abantu bayaphuma bayahayikha. So ngamanye amazwi uDecember wethu owala KwaZulu-Natal is vibrant, very, very vibrant, and we have a hectic festive season because of ama-events, imicimbi ekhona, iy'cathamiya endaweni ey'thize kuma-communities ngoba phela KwaZulu-Natal we are known for our heritage, a strong heritage base yethu la, and also our storytelling mangabe siney'ngoma ne-storytelling sethu esikhona. We have a rich mix of African and Indian cuisine, Indian activities akhona la KwaZulu-Natal.
And xa uthetha ngenkcubeko siyaqonda into yokubana eli phondo lase-KZN lityebe kakhulu ilifa lakhona. Yiyo loo nto sibona nabakhenkethi abasuka kumazwe ngamazwe bethi tsi qatha kweli phondo. Ndiyafuna ukuqonda kuba kaloku xa kuthiwa kuzawuba bhizi kweli phondo nasemigaqweni imoto ziyanyuka zisehla ngapha zingozi. Ndiyafuna ukuqonda into yokubana kulula kangakanani kubakhenkethi into yokubana bajikeleze baphithizele kweli lase-KZN. Kwaye mhlawumbe ingaba zonke indlela zokuhamba zicwangcisiwe, singalibalanga into yokubana ukhuselwe ezindleleni.
Kunjalo kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi abavakashi bethu nalabo ababuya beze emakhaya esibabiza phecelezi ngamagoduka Nkosi yami wethu abuya sithi-ke sicela abantu babe safe emgaqweni, ulandele nje imigomo yomgwaqo ngoba ama-partners ethu afana no-Department of Transport, uSANRAL no-N3 concession ba very clear, basho ukuthi abezomthetho basilindile, not ukuthi bazosibopha kodwa bazo-check ukuthi ngempela siyayilandela nemigomo yomgwaqo. So our good road connectivity between major destinations ekhona kuvulelekile. It's very easy to get to us njengoba ngichaza ukuthi uyakwazi ukusuka eGauteng udrive uze ngo-N3 move kanje kahle kuseni noma uhambe phakathi nosuku ungajahi kakhulu. Mosuke e-Eastern Cape sikhona laphayana siyakwazi ukutholakala mosuka kuMpumalanga ikhona iGolela, abasuka eFree State basebenzisa iroute yaseSanipas babuye beze ngapha, abahamba ngama-airports King Shaka International Airport ikhona nayo ivulelekile. So siyacela labo abasebenzisa imigwaqo ukuthi babe safe, babe patient, ubekezele nje mose udrive isikhathi eside in your nearby towns afana no-Midlands nithenga ukudla sihlale phansi singajahi emgaqweni ukuze sikwazi sonke ukuthi sifike si-safe. Laba abahamba ngama-tour operators noma siyababona kakhulu abahamba in groups isikakhulukazi ama-girl trips ayenzeka kakhulu e-KZN, bakhona abantu abasuke beba-driver. That's very safe, it's a very safe option, and nayo siyasho ukuthi no major tourism routes are well serviced kodwa sicela ukuthi abantu babe patient, badrive kahle ukuze bafike be-safe, bakwazi noku-explore kahle KZN.
Asikwazi ukubana sibe nale ngxoxo ngaphambi kokuba sithethe ngomba wezoqoqosho i-economy yoMzantsi Afrika. Siyaqonda into yokubana baninzi abantu abangasebenzisiyo ingakumbi abantu abatsha ithe kratya ngapha kwe-40%. Ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana niyi-KZN Tourism nawuqinisekisa njani into yokubana kuyo le sizini kudaleka amathuba omsebenzi kananjalo noqoqosho lwase-KZN luyaphucuka?
Njengamanje kule festive season nje iyonke asiyasithi thina KZN uma simakhethe KZN isama yethu iwunyaka wonke kodwa ngalesi sikhathi sesiqala ngo-October iphelela ngako-March. I-festive season yethu ngokwe-economy silindele ukuthi ibhoosteke i-economy yethu ngo-13 billion ngoba silindele abavakashi aba-over 1.1 million abazofika esifundazweni sethu mase beyadlula beya kwezinye iy'ndawo njengoba sengichazile iy'ndawo abangaya kuzona. Lokhu-ke kubaluleke kakhulu uma ngabe sekuqashwa asikakhulukazi abantu abasha ngalesi khathi basemsebenzini bakhona bayasebenza. I-hospitality industry yethu sisebenza kahle kakhulu nayo nama-federations athize nama-organizations ekuyiwona aqasha abantu abasha ngalesi khathi. Uzobona ukuthi ama-restaurants they are fully booked, they are fully serviced because abavakashi bethu bayangena bayaphuma, living economy kulezo y'ndawo. Transport services nawo iwona contributor noma nomthelela kakhulu ngokwezokuvakasha. Nakhona i-accommodation uzobona ukuthi kule minyaka edlulile after i-COVID abantu ba-choose accommodation basemahhotela bakuma-B&Bs bakuma-accommodation ahlukahlukene no-self-catering ekuyilapho esibonile ukuthi cha abantu abasha kakhulukazi bona bawu-enjoyayo bona bawuthandayo yilapho ngempela i-economy yethu is impacted. So uma sisebenza nesector yethu siyibiza nge-tourism trade ibona abasiqashela abantu abasha ibona kohluhluka abaqasha omama bethu ukuze abantwana babomama bakwazi ukuthi baphindele esikoleni ngonyaka ozayo.
And xa kuthiwa luyohlumanyana uqoqosho kuba kaloku siyaqonda ukubana lindele ngaphaya kwe-34,000 ye-international travelers. Siyaqonda into yokubana kuyo leDisemba okanye ngaphambi koDisemba kuye kwaba khona ii-campaigns ezenziwayo nenkonzo yamapolisa. Ndikhumbula kakuhle ikhona enye yayikhokelwa phambili nguye uNjengele uMkhwanazi. Sitsho into bangaba mhlawumbe abantu bayakhuzwa ngokusebenzisa utywala, funeke basebenzise utywala ngapha responsible. Ndiyafuna nawe into yokubana uxhobise abantu abazobe bekweli phondo lase-KZN kuba siyaqonda into yokubana ukusetyenziswa gwenxa kotywala kudala umonakalo omninzi.
Kunjalo njengakho nje ngiqale ngasho ukuthi hayi lapha ku-N2 naku-N3 nayo yonke izikhungo ongenela kuzona la KZN zomgwaqo uzobona abezemthetho sisebenza kahle kakhulu ke ne-SAPS uMetropolis kanye nama-communities ama-community policing forums nama-entities afana no-KZN IRA no-KZN bonke nje ama-entities akhona ka-KZN lapha siqiniseka ukuthi uma ngabe uzovakasha eKZN siyakwamukela kepha siyakuxwayisa futhi ukuthi ube safe whether usolwandle noma usemgwaqweni noma uyadrive responsibly uphethe zonke izinto zakho ukuze phela njengomuntu ovakashile unethezeke kahle noma umuntu obuyayo uzovakasha ekhaya still i-safety yakho ibalulekile ne-safety yabantu abaseduze kwakho esikakhulukazi laba abasuka bevakasha ngamatekisi abasuka emakhaya nasemalokishini beze khona la olwandle lethu siyaqwashisa ukuthi abantu abahamba nezingane bakwazi ukuphatha izingane kahle olwandle umasipala waseThekwini-ke umkhulukazi uwona ozobe ukhona nabanye laba abasogwini omasipala bazoba nama-beach activations bekhona bexwayisa ngokuthi uma uhamba nabantwana e-beach kumele niphephe nalabo abasemgaqweni njengoba ngichazile ukuthi hayi uhulumeni wakwaZulu kuphumile ngempela lifakwa kumele ngempela ukuthi uqikelele ukuthi udriver kahle and you are taking care of abantu ohamba nabo and also you are just adhering to all the road safety measures.
Thank you Masibambe Kazibini ngexesha lakho. Nam mhlambe ndingathi share apha ezinsukwini kuba ingathi sawuthi close apha enkqubeni. Kodwa ke kuyabonakala into yokubana kumnandi kakhulu eThekwini kwaye into ebalulekileyo zezoqoqosho ezawuthi ziphucuke. Enkosi kakhulu nibe neholide ezimyoli.
Siyabulela kakhulu and sikulindile impela nje ukuthi amaholide akho angoDisemba January uzowadlela la eThekwini nase-KZN.
ngoJanuary ngiyeza ngizobe ngihamba noda page sigcwele qhu ngevi class siyangena eThekwini na kanjani bathi Durban Rocks. Enkosi kakhulu Pinky benosuku lumnandi. Right imbukeli we-SABC lihaye besihlana indlebe naye uPinky Radebe osuka ke kwezokhwenketho kwiphondo la KwaZulu Natal.